Hello children, myself Lata. Today's our topic is EVS chapter number 9, our green friends. Today you have to do some exercise of lesson number 9. Take page number 54. Tick the correct and cross the wrong statement. True or false? First question. Plants pollute air. Your answer is wrong, because plants make the air clean. Plants pollute air. Your answer is wrong. Plants make the air clean. Second, plants gives us rubber. Answer is right. Plants gives us rubber. Answer is right. Plants gives us many things like rubber, wood, fruits, vegetables, food grains, etc. 3. Plants need sunlight. Answer is right. Plants need sunlight to grow. Plants need sunlight. Answer is right. 4. We cannot eat the roots of plants. Answer is wrong. We cannot eat the roots of plants. Answer is wrong. Why? We can eat the roots of plants. We can eat the roots of plants. Example, carrot, beetroot. 5. All plants have thick stems. All plants have thick stems. Answer is wrong. Some plants have weak and thin stem also. Example, creeper, climbers. Now I am going to read again. First, plants pollute air. Answer is wrong. Second, plants gives us rubber. Answer is right. 3. Plants need sunlight. Answer is right. 4. We cannot eat the roots of plants. Answer is wrong. 5. All plants have thick stems. Answer is wrong. Next, match the following. First question, pumpkin. Your answer is creeper. Pumpkin is the example of creeper. They grow along the ground. Pumpkin, creeper. Second, coconut. Here you have to write big tree. Trees are very big, tall and strong. Coconut. Answer is big tree. 3. Tulsi. Here answer is herb. Herbs are very small plants with thin, green and soft stem. Tulsi is the example of herb. 4. Grapes. Answer here, climbers. Grapes, climbers. They need support to stand straight. They need support to stand straight. Grapes, climbers. Next, spinach. Here answer, leaves. We eat the leaves of this plant. Spinach, leaves. First, pumpkin, creeper, coconut, big tree, tulsi, herb, grapes, climbers, spinach, leaves. Students, this exercise do in your EVS textbook. Next, hard words. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. shrubs, shrubs. herbs, herbs. climbers, climbers. creepers, creepers. leaves, leaves. buds, buds. stems, stems. roots, roots. swds, seeds. flowers, flowers. fruits, fruits. vegetables, vegetables. perfumes, perfumes. medicines, medicines. sugar, sugar. cotton, cotton. pulses, pulses. rubber, rubber. beautiful, beautiful. Plants, breathe, sunlight, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, leaves, buds, stems, roots, seeds, flowers, fruits, vegetables, perfumes, medicines, sugar, cotton, pulses, rubber, beautiful. Students, these words underline in your EVS textbook and write 5 times in rub book. Thank you.